Thank goodness there's hot water. Alright. I think all you have to do is just kind of scrub. So, not getting a lot of bubbles. I don't know if you're supposed to. Alright. I think it's working. Don't want to waste water either. Good morning from the Philippines. It's Thursday morning, which means this is my 5th official day here in the Philippines in quarantine, but it's my 4th full day here in Manila. So I am stuck here in the hotel for 10 days and I'm trying to do a video every day. If you haven't seen my videos, I'll put a link somewhere here, right here, and then maybe here of my videos. Go ahead and click it after this video and watch it. You know, I'm trying to come up with creative things to do while I'm here and make creative videos. So hope you like it. Hope you're enjoying it. If you have any ideas of other videos that I should be making, please comment below. I read them all and I'll do my best to do what you want. So anyway, so like I said, I'm here in the hotel 10 days and they are very strict. You can't even get out the door. They don't really give you a key to get out. So if you try and open the door alarms. So that's not really a choice. You can't sneak out. They're very serious. There's a posting on the door saying that if you violate quarantine, you might be fined or even go to jail. So I'm gonna go ahead and link it right there. Boom. There you go. Anyway, part of the problem of being stuck in quarantine is you do not have a way to wash clothes. They don't have a washing machine here. Because of the strict quarantine, the hotel is not allowing for external wash services. So it's not like I can call the front desk and say, hey, can I put my dirty clothes in a bag and have it washed and folded? Unfortunately, that's not an option. If anyone knows me, I hate clutter, and I'm not just gonna pile up dirty clothes. So what I decided to do is try to wash it by hand. So actually here in the Philippines, they have what's called detergent soap. I already opened it, but it looks like this. Right? This brand is, I'm not even sure, I think it's Surf, Powerful Surf. So, and it smells so good. It's like, I know if I wash my clothes by hand, it's gonna smell amazing. So, I'm gonna give it a whirl. A pile of clothes here. So, go ahead and do it in the bathroom, film myself doing it. Hopefully don't embarrass myself. I did cheat and look it up at YouTube because I've never done it before. I know it sounds really dumb, but if you're someone that grew up with washing machines, you know, you've never really had to wash anything like that. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna start with shorts and see how we do with that. So go ahead and figure probably get the shorts wet real quick. Yep. Maybe I'll do 2 shorts at once. Go ahead. Thank goodness there's hot water. Alright. I think all you have to do is just kind of scrub. So not getting a lot of bubbles. I don't know if you're supposed to. Alright. I think it's working. Don't want to waste water either. Not sure why I'm not getting a lot of bubbles and, you know, the inside too. I wonder if you're, yeah, there we go. I think maybe you have to need the water. probably look like an idiot doing this. Hopefully I'm doing correctly. All right, turn it on the other side.
One eternity later.
Okay, so now I'm gonna try and get all the soap out. Holy cow, a lot of soap. So, hoping, probably wasting a lot of water. I apologize for that.
One eternity later.
I think I'm gonna have to get the excess soap in the tub. So we'll do that later. This one here. Oh, this one's a lot easier than the other pair. Smells really good. All right. Done with the shorts. All right, I did continue to wash the shirts, two of them, but I didn't want to include it in the video because I didn't want to bore you just watching me wash clothes. So I'm done, and here you go. Wow, that was exhausting. And I only did 4 pieces of clothing, 2 shorts and 2 shirts, and yeah, it's hard. I miss just putting things in the washing machine. So maybe some of you, especially the ones that have watched my other videos, are thinking, hey, this guy said he's never seen or heard of clothes being washed by hand. The truth of the matter is, you know, I grew up in a family where both my parents had really good jobs. My dad was a civil engineer. He passed away, unfortunately, when I was 23 years old. But, you know, he provided for the family. And my mom, she also was an entrepreneur. She owned like a food store when we were living in Paranaque. She also ran and owned some restaurants in Quezon City. So we were fortunate. You know, we were one of the lucky ones that didn't have to worry about things like cooking or doing chores or washing your own clothes. I actually never learned how to do chores until I migrated in America, and that was an eye-opener. And to this day, I'm really embarrassed about not being more appreciative of the life that we had in the Philippines. Yeah, and I just feel so blessed, you know, and I realize there's a lot of people that didn't grow up with the kind of things that I had that was handed to me, that was given to me. So I am very thankful, and I'm also thankful for the opportunity to share my story and you know, do the crazy things that I do on video. But anyway, enough about that. This is the end of another video. I hope you're liking it. Again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I see a lot of people watching my YouTube videos, and thank you for that. I think the video that I posted just a few hours ago, it's already up to 10,000 views, like in a few hours. So thank you. I really appreciate your support. Please click that subscribe button and then that bell. That bell, you click on it, it notifies you when videos are coming up. Like I said, I'm posting videos every day. So while I'm in quarantine, it notifies you, hey, there's another video from Filipino.com. Please click that like button if you enjoyed this video, and give me some more ideas on what to do next time. Until then, see you tomorrow. Mabuhay.